Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to update company information on Ziprecruiter. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Ziprecruiter employer page or employer account, which of course I have done right here. And I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. It's AI matching, finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's steps, which is how to update company information on Ziprecruiter. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have the My Account tab. So go ahead and click on the My Account tab. So you have an extended menu that says subscription, settings, get $100 credit, help center, and sign up. Now go ahead and click on your name, which is the first thing you're going to find in here. And here I have a further extended menu that says My Profile, Job List, Change Email, and Change Password. So go ahead and click on My Profile. That's going to take you to this window. So go ahead and check the left corner of your screen where you have the users, hiring companies, career page widget, hiring badges, smiley bills, and company info. So go ahead and click on company info, and it's going to take you to the company info window. So now you can change or you can update your company information from here. You can change the company name, company type, the country, you can change the address line 2, you can change the city, state, zip code, you can change the email address, you can change the LinkedIn URL, you can change the Twitter URL, you can change the Facebook URL, and don't forget, after making changes about your company information, don't forget to click on the Save Company button. Because if you do not click on the Save Company button, your changes will not be saved. Now, once you click on the Save Company button, all your changes will be saved. So this is pretty much how you can change, tweak, or update your company information on Ziprecruiter. So in case let's say you had more employees in your company, or your company expanded and you changed the name, you registered the name with some other name, and you just want to make those changes reflect on Ziprecruiter, these are the steps that you need to take to get that done. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.